Guess I should introduce myself.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hey guys, my name is Alan Cinder. I'm a PNG tuber, soon to be a VTuber if I have the budget. So here are some of the questions you might ask. So what do I post? Well, I post some silly shorts, some random stuff, some random discussions on basically anything on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Well, mostly on the gacha space and mostly Hoyo games. Oh, and I also edit my videos. It's not perfect, but it is watchable. What's my goal? Well, I have a few. Number 1, earn money. Well, duh. Number 2 is build and create a community. Number 3 is to improve my editing skills. And number 4 is to inspire people. Why did I become a PNG tuber? Well, because I want to try something new in life. And because it's cool to do. Who inspired you to become a PNG tuber? Well, I was inspired from a lot of my favorite VTubers like Bao, Shoutto, and Iron Mouse. And that's about it. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to get to know about me.